Hello, everyone. On behalf of the World Congress on Thyroid Cancer Board, I'd like to invite you to Boston, July 9th through the 12th, 2025, for our in-person World Congress on Thyroid Cancer Boston meeting. This will be really an amazing meeting with plenary sessions covering medullary carcinoma, anaplastic carcinoma, oncocytic carcinoma, thyroid ablation, cancer genetics, pediatrics, global guidelines, neoadjuvant therapy, low-risk treatment, and a special session on parathyroid technology. We will include also instructional courses and meet the professor sessions, roundtable sessions, video presentations, a robust free paper abstract section, a tumor board on the third day. We also have the pre-Congress day is filled with amazing programming, including a Bob Sofferman ultrasound course, a radiofrequency course, a primer course on thyroid cancer, and numerous regional meetings, including India, Japan, Singapore, Malaysia, and Australia, New Zealand. Multiple organizational meetings also on that pre-Congress day, the Balkans and Black Sea Society, two different Middle Eastern societies, APTS, Turkish Association of Endocrine Surgery, South African Endocrine Society, as well as the ESES and the IAES. In addition, BAETS from the UK will all be there. We expect over 1,000 attendees from about 70 countries. Boston in July is a lovely area to visit, and so we would love to have you have a Sam Adams and some clam chowder, and we would love to have you with us. Thank you.